I want to use every single shade in here. How cute. Wow though. Wow, look at that. So I feel like it is officially autumn now. The days are a little bit chillier. It's getting dark earlier. So for today's video, I thought I would do like an autumn glam. Someone left a comment on my TikTok which said like, can you do makeup look inspired by like the maple leaf and like the autumn leaves? So that is what today's video is going to be on. And I'm going to be using some products that I was sent from Sheglam, which is Shein's makeup range. And they have like really good stuff. And they have sent me like some really autumny bits. So I'm really excited to create a look on my face today. So I took off like all my makeup that I had on before, and then I've just like set my eyes. Obviously I always start my makeup with my eyes, and look at this palette. This is the Stay Juicy palette, obviously from Sheglam, and look at that. I'm sorry, but is that not the most gorgeous autumn palette you have ever seen? I don't even know what I want to do with it because I want to use every single shade in here because they are incredible colours, but I just don't know where to start. I've also got these eye brushes, and they come in this really cute little pouch, which is perfect because I'm actually like going away for the week next week, and I can take my little eye brushes in here. But look at these, how cute. So I will be using those. By the way, I'll put the discount code for any products that you see in this video that you might want to get your hands on right here. This is my discount code, and I will also link all of the products in the description. But yeah, we've got like a eyebrow brush with a spoolie, like a softer blending brush, another blending brush, like an angled blending brush, like a little packer brush, another little packer brush, and then like a denser brush to apply shadow. What am I going to do? How am I going to do my eye makeup? Obviously I'm going to be using the orangey shades because maple leaves are orangey, so I definitely want to do something orangey. I kind of want to do like a cut crease. I don't know what am I going to do. I don't know if I do the angled thing because it looks kind of sharper, and like I might do that. I've applied my tape, you can't really see it, but that should just give me like the angled eyeliner. No, eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to take one of these little brushes. These are like so soft, by the way. Which one do I want to go for first? Quite like the look of this one. So I'm going to start with that one. And I think I'm going to start with this like the lightest orange shade in here and kind of build it up from there. I'm going to dip into that. These look so pigmented. Like, look how much the brush has picked up. I'm going to run this through my crease. Just really lightly. See, that's all the way in my crease. These brushes are really nice to blend with. I like them a lot. That first shade was called I Hollywood If I Could, and the next shade is called Girl on Fire. I'm literally going to use that same brush, dip my brush in there, and use this like a little bit under where I've put that, because I've kind of like blended that up, and I'm going to like deepen up the crease with this darker shade. I'm now going to take like this darker brown shade, which is called Stay Grounded, and I'm going to blend this in the outer corner. And you see where the tape is? I'm just going to kind of bring it over the tape. That's really pigmented, look. And bring that into the orange, just to add like depth on my outer corner. So I've took the tape off this side, and that's how it's looking. Usually I don't always get them like dead equal with the tape, because I can never really position the tape like to be quite equal. But they're not looking too bad. This is giving me like chocolate orange vibes right now. So I'm just gonna, now that the tape's off, I literally just use that tape to get that shape. So I'm gonna use literally just blend it a bit more now, because it does, the brown needs blending into the orange a little bit better. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Right, so I've blended it together a little bit, and now I'm just gonna take some of my concealer, just where that sellotape was. I'm gonna use a flat brush and just, so that's just a little bit sharper. And now with that same concealer brush, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to do that off camera though, because it takes me a while. I have a yellow liner which I would really like to define my crease with, but there's also like some really, really nice shimmer shades in here. I might just do a cut crease and kind of just, instead of doing the gold intensely on it, I might just pat a little bit of gold on it. I think that's a good idea. So I've just done what I said I would with like the gold, and I think this looks really nice. But this eyeliner that I have looks really good, so I do really want to use it. This is called the Colour Crush liquid eyeliner, and this is the shade Instant Gratification. And let me just do a quick swatch of this, because I've not actually swatched it yet. This is the first time opening it, but it's literally like a yellow liquid liner. Yeah, I need to use that. I'm going to use that to define this cut crease. This bit's really hard to film because I need to concentrate a lot, so I'm not going to film it, but can you see I'm literally just running it along here, and it's just defining my cut crease a little bit more. So the next things that I've got to use is like base products. So I'm actually going to quickly like do my foundation and stuff, and then I can come back and actually use the base products. I do actually want to go for like quite a glowy look, obviously because my eyes, I've got the gold on, which is quite a glowy colour. I've got this mousse highlighter, and I haven't actually tried this yet either. So let me just do a little swatch and see what I think. Wow, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna do like a little swatch. Oh, it's not like that moussey. Wow though, wow. I think I'll use this when I've done like my powder things. It's called a mousse crystal highlighter and in the shade Moonbeam, but it feels quite powdery, so I think I'm actually going to use that when I'm doing my powder based products. So I'm just going to do my concealer, set this with powder, and then I will go on to the rest of the products I have to use.
A few moments later.
I'm just doing a little bit of bronzer. Well, that's a lot of bronzer. And then I've got some more Sheglam products to carry on using. I literally love bronzer, so I always end up going overboard. Oh well. And then I've got this blusher to use, which is a matte blusher. Let me just open it. This is in the shade Tangerine. Oh, the packaging of this is really sleek and pretty. This is a really, really pretty colour, like a really glowy sort of colour. So I'm just popping that on. And that is a lovely glowy rosy blush colour. I'm a big fan of that. I love blusher so much. Blusher and bronzer are my favourite. So now that my blush is done as well, I'm going to go back to that gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. I'm going to start putting that on the high points of my face. Wow. Look how glowy. Ah, I love it. That is so, so pretty. It's like super duper pigmented as well. This gives you like that perfect glowy autumn look. Look how glowy that has made me. I love that highlighter. It's like a moussey sort of powdery texture, which I quite like. So obviously I now need to finish off my eyes by adding mascara and dragging that colour under my eye. I'm going to use this brush. It's like a fine tipped brush. So I think I'm going to bring this orange shade here, which is called Girl on Fire, and bring that under. And I think I'm going to put brown in the corner and then kind of graduate it into the orange. I added lashes as well. I don't know if they're a bit much, but oh well. I really love this eye makeup look. Yeah, the lashes are quite big, but who cares? But yeah, I have got Sheglam Cosmetics Crystal Matte Lipstick in Mixed Emotions. And look at this awesome shade. I love that. I'm going to put this on right now. Okay, I love that shade. That's such a perfect autumn shade. So that's the lipstick. I also had like a pack of these like leaves, and I stuck them to a headband to kind of make like a leafy head wreath sort of thing. Like, oh, one just fell off, but oh well, like an autumny head leaf wreath. And I quite like it because the lipstick literally matches the leaves sort of. Like, it's a very similar colour. But yeah, this is my final autumn look. The eyes, I'm obsessed with it. That palette was so pigmented. I've actually loved all these products. The blusher was so nice. The lipstick is my perfect autumn colour. I'm going to be wearing it all autumn. But yeah, this is my final autumn look using Sheglam products.